In this course, we're going to be talking about all about SEO, that is search engine optimization, and how to effectively utilize this marketing strategy for your private practice. You know what? Actually, hang on just a minute. I think that this little introduction needs a little bit more enthusiasm, a little bit more something. Hang on, bear with me, just a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the greatest show on earth, my course on SEO. Yes, I will demystify the mysterious, illuminate the interwebs, and answer all your questions about SEO. Huh? All right. Maybe too much enthusiasm. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Can you imagine if I was like that the whole time with the hat and voice? I was going for circus ringleader. Not sure if that worked, but anyway, this course is about SEO. I'm here to teach you a little bit about SEO, but also clearly I'm going to have a little fun, and I hope that I'm able to make the course kind of fun for you too. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Nick Fuller. I've been an entrepreneur and a web developer for almost a decade. I've been working with iTherapy since 2016, and I'm now the CEO of iTherapy after former CEO and co-founder Forrest Pulley decided, maybe age 72 is a good time to retire. Can't blame him. The iTherapy team and I have helped hundreds of therapists start their private practices, bring their practices online confidently, and grow their practices to full caseloads. But enough about me. Let's talk about this course. I'm sure some of you have heard of SEO. Some of you are interested in SEO but not sure where to begin. You might not know what to do, how to measure your progress, how to start with SEO, what SEO even means. One guy had trouble turning on his computer today. I know who you are. It's okay. It happens to the best of us. But in this course, I'm going to answer those fundamental questions first. What is SEO anyway? And how do you measure your progress? Then I'll walk you through how to do what I call the 3 pillars of SEO. I'll show you the tools and techniques I use to do pillar 1, that's keyword research. I'll show you all the important steps of pillar 2, on-page optimizations, and how easy it can be to do. And I'll show you my favorite strategy for pillar 3, link building. It's a strategy that actually has link building opportunities come to you. You don't have to seek them out. They come to you. If you're a therapist or a counselor or coach wanting to learn about SEO to market your private practice, you're in the right place. More specifically, if you've heard about SEO and heard it can be a good marketing strategy but have no clue where to start or how to do it, this course is for you. If you're either trying to work on your SEO yourself or paying someone to do it, but you're not quite sure what they're doing or how to measure your progress, this is for you too. And if you're looking for a consistent marketing strategy you can implement and work on yourself, month after month, to build and maintain your caseload without spending a ton of money, this is for you. You don't have to be a technical wizard for this course. If you have enough technical proficiency to write an email or update your Facebook status, and you have access to make edits to your website, or maybe you can kind of give your website designer some edits and they will do it, whatever the scenario, as long as you're able to make edits to your website, then you'll be able to follow along with this course and do the things I'm about to teach you. I do focus a lot on Squarespace and WordPress because I'm most familiar with those platforms, but the techniques I'll be teaching in this course can be applied to any website platform. Now, there are a few instances where this course is not a good fit. So first, if you're looking for instant results, SEO is just probably not a good marketing strategy for you. In general, SEO sort of takes some time to get going and make happen, which sort of makes sense. The search engines like Google, they don't really want, someone to come in the middle of the night and suddenly rank for the top position for important keywords like something like COVID treatments or something. That would be pretty bad, right? And that would definitely impact the trust we all have in Google. So it takes a little time to get going. Number 2, if you can't commit just a handful of hours each month to implementing these strategies that I'm going to be teaching you, then you're likely not going to have a lot of success, and this course is probably not for you. Lastly, if you didn't at least giggle at my introduction, then we're done here. This course will be filled with more silly hats, preposterous puns, and delightful dad jokes, along with the SEO information. If you're looking for something that's purely informational and serious without all this jokes, this course is probably not for you. But if you're still here, great. Prepare for more puns, and let's get started.